Hey guys, happy New Year's from Keystone RV Center and from myself, Junior. Guys, thank you so much. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. I hope you guys are staying safe this New Year's. Not going out doing anything too crazy. I wanted to get a couple of videos in before we came back from Christmas break, so I literally pulled the car over to do this one. I've been on the road all day. So this is one of the things I want you guys to try to focus on. It's one of the things that I'm going to focus on this year, is doing something once a month to make somebody's month. Okay, stop and think about it. Once a month, do something to truly make somebody's month. If you can make their year, awesome, great. But just something that you can do every month to help improve somebody's life. Guys, comment down below. Let me know if you guys got any other questions. I'd love to hear some other ideas that you guys have for this coming New Year's. Happy 2021, guys.